Hello guys and welcome to Laravel 7 tutorial. So guys, today we are going to discuss about another relationship in Laravel, and that is polymorphic one-to-many relationship. So guys, we have already discussed that why we use polymorphic relationship. Whenever we want to create a relationship with more than one table, we use polymorphic relationship. If you don't want to use polymorphic relationship, the other way around is to create separate relation of this photo with post and user, etc. But in this case, we are going to use polymorphic relationship because we are learning polymorphic relationship types. Okay. So the basic difference between polymorphic one-to-one relationship and one-to-many relationship right here is in one-to-one relationship, a user can have only one photo. A post can have only one photo. But in one-to-many relationship, a user can have multiple photos. A post can have multiple photos. But the inverse of this relationship would be same because in our case, a specific photo only belongs to one specific user or one specific post. So the inverse relation would be same. Let me just show you. I will just open my photo model right here. This relationship will be similar, so we don't need to implement the inverse. If in any case you want to implement inverse relationship, you can easily do that. What you have to do is create the relationship just like we did in the user.php and photos right here. Okay guys, now let's move to our one-to-many polymorphic relationship and let's do that. Okay, so first of all, I will open my user.php model right here. I am going to just copy this because everything is similar. We have already implemented our models and migrations, and we have already described our columns. The basic difference is the custom method that we are going to define right here now. Okay, I will just paste it right here and I will just rename it with photos because now a user can have multiple photos. Now I will change this relationship from morph1 to morph-many. That's it. And the relationship of user is with app photos, and I am defining the imageable to map it with the photos right here. Okay guys, now I will just copy it from right here. I will move to my post model. Yes, right here, and I will just paste it right here, and everything remains the same as it was. See, the relationship same. Basically in this case, post has a relationship with app photos and we are mapping with the help of imageable right here. Okay, now let's make a route web.php. Basically it is similar to one-to-one. The basic difference is we are going to get multiple records. That's it. One-to-many right here. I will just change the name of the route because we cannot have two routes with the same name, so I just changed it with muser, and we are only going to pass a single ID. So I'm just telling you so that there is no confusion left. This is just the route name. Okay, we are going to find the user. Let's find the user first and let me show you. But first of all, because in this case a user can have multiple photos, so we have to create multiple photos record for a specific user. Let's just insert some data so that we know basically now we have array. Let's name it new.png and it belongs to one id 1 on user table f/user right here. Okay, now let's insert another record and let's say custom.png, basically image name, and the id would be 1. Okay, and this id belongs to app/post right here. That's it. Let's go, and now we have 4 records. Let's see. We have 4 records. 2 of them belongs to user and same user basically. Okay, and we have 2 records for post, and basically the post id is 1, basically similar. Okay, now I will just move here and I will apply my new method that I just implemented right here to get many results. And let's see what we have right now. I will just move to, and we have to run our project php artisan server. That's it. Okay, now we are going to hit the route. Let me just confirm. Yeah, everything looks good. Okay, I don't know why it is taking too much long. PHP artisan, sir, come on. Okay, now I'll move to project. Let's see if it is running. Yes, it is. Let's find user and users slash one. Let's find first user and see we have multiple photos for this specific user in our database. See guys, right here and right here. It's the second record that we just created right now. Now let's create a route for post basically so that a post can have multiple photos. Basically so that we can see that a post have multiple photos. Sorry guys. And post slide change and let's find from post. Okay, we'll change it to post. Okay, and right here post. That's it. Everything remains the same. I will just hit the route m post and let's find one and see we have multiple photos for first post right here. You can see. Okay guys, so this was the basic difference. And if you want to read this type of data, like if you want to echo each image, what you have to do is basically for each. Let me just show you with one right here, for each, so that there is no confusion left. Post, and I will write photos basically as photo. Okay, and I want just the photo name, echo $photo name, sorry, image. Basically image contains the name and I will just concatenate a BR right here. That's it. Let's hit refresh and we have our basically images name right here for post. See, PHP and custom. So this was all from one to many relationship because the inverse is same. A specific photo can only belong to one specific user or one specific post. So guys, I hope you guys understood what I just said, and if I hope you guys like the video, you like the concept of the video. If you liked it, please like, subscribe and share. And in the next video we are going to see polymorphic one to basically many to many relationship. And if you want to implement some other example, you can always refer to Laravel docs. I will just show you. If you want to enhance your knowledge, what you can do is go to here one to many and implement this relationship. You will have to create these models and put some data, etc., and fetch those records. So it will be good for your practice. So just try it, okay? And I will see you in the next video. Take care.